Let's talk about this euro trade. We've been talking about it now for almost, well, 2 weeks. On the 4th, we told our members here when we broke this level right in here that we really thought that the euro would trade down probably back to that 135 level. Why the 135 level? Well, it's pretty clear. The high and the low for the year are stated here on the left side on the daily chart, and the 50% retrace is right here at 135. So we overreached to the upside here twice, and this blow off here, this throw over, if you will, up to this 142.76 that is micro sized here on the right side on a 30-minute chart. When that failed almost the day after, it was a very good sign to get short, put your stop above the new high, and just ride it down. And you can see once that happened why we targeted that 135, and very clearly that 135, again, this is why swing trades and looking for changes in direction are very relevant to the way that we trade here at eurustrade.com. So if you want to make the big money and stop scalping and make the big trades, the big waves, if you will, ride only the good waves. You don't need to be in a trade every day all the time. So this is a great example, and you can see the same thing that happened in GC on gold. You had the same thing happen to that, and this is where we were selling in this 1410 level back when it busted on the 30-minute, broke, and then again we suggested again that this was probably going to pull back to at least to that to this to the 40-day average, which is 1345, and we're sitting here at 1334 right now, and we are going lower. Again, this is an ugly chart in many ways because the old low of 1390 now has been breached. We're well below that 50, 60 points. And if this 1316 goes, you're going to have to stretch out to a weekly chart. And I still think that gold could pull back to this 1250 level. So on a weekly chart, we're at a very key precedent as far as we need to hold this 1330 level. But if this breaks, again, we break this 1310 level on gold, we will see this 1260 to 1250 level over the next probably few weeks. So be careful with gold if you're chasing it. Again, right now, in the short term, the downside is in your favor. You want to sell rallies on gold. If you miss this move, check us out at eurustrade.com as we suggested earlier. 2 big swing trades, and the same thing happened also. You're seeing the same charts, and they're really the same thing. Wheat, we saw the same thing again this last week. This break here on the 30-minute said, hey, short this 720 area the next couple days after it broke and ride it down. Today we're down 100 spots, 100 points now on wheat. Now, corn, the same thing. All these things are breaking, and the reason why I'm showing you all these, just to give you some, again, some idea. Corn broke the same way. Once it hit 600, we're all the way back to 532. Matter of fact, corn probably has a little bit further to go. So a lot of people are getting thrown under the bus chasing these things right now. And again, be careful out there. This has been a very treacherous model for people to be chasing these tops. Tops are not holding right now, so be careful chasing out there. We will see you on the other side. Have a great trading day. Again, just kind of an update on trading less, making more. These are the types of moves that you wait patiently for to get, and when you get them, you make your money. Peace.